Okay, so ordinary bras are packed with padding, wire, straps, bulky polyester fabric, and enough lace to make 6 doilies and a set of curtains for your grandma. Ugh, they're downright medieval, uncomfortable, sexualized, non-inclusive, and environmentally irresponsible. You say you want a revolution? Good. From Woxer comes the Woxer Bralette, the new go-to for versatile comfort and style, day-to-night wearability, and yes, keyboard up-dressing. The Woxer Bralette empowers you to be comfortable the way you are and the way you look. You are unrestricted. You are unstoppable. With supportive, lightweight internal structures that adapt to different body shapes and curves, our no-wire pull-on Woxer Bralette not only provides a new option for comfort and confidence, but promotes well-being and body positivity. And our inclusive approach to sizing means an enhanced fit for everyone, all sizes and body types, even if you're in between sizes. 2 times softer and more breathable than cotton, the Woxer Bralette is made with super soft tensile modal fabric, fibers made from sustainable beechwood trees, sourced and manufactured in an environmentally responsible production process. And unlike polyester, modal fibers are biodegradable, so if you lose your undies in the woods, it's okay. You can just order new ones. The Woxer Bralette comes in a variety of colors and sizes: black, black 2.0, heather gray, hue blue, forest purple, and pride black. Woxer was founded by Alex Fuente, who created the brand out of pure frustration with the lack of comfort, versatility, and diversity in women's underwear. With our focus on inclusivity and sustainability, we're leading the change against the sexualization of the lingerie industry and toward a future of equality, diversity, and female empowerment. So join the revolution and help us fund the new Woxer Bralette. Thanks for your support. Get it? Support? 'Cause it's a bra.